Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying the physical elements and permissions. Confirm the adapter is USB-A or USB-C and that the host port supports USB 3.0 for best speed. Plug the adapter into the port gently, do not force it, and connect a known good Ethernet cable to the adapter. Once done, open Device Manager or System Settings so you can watch driver installation. Make sure you have admin rights, because some systems require confirmation to install drivers. Next, let the operating system attempt automatic driver installation. If that fails, manually install the vendor driver you downloaded earlier. Once the driver is present, go to Network Settings and choose DHCP for most setups. This simplifies IP assignment versus using a static address unless your network demands it. After an IP is assigned, check link speed and duplex to verify gigabit or 100 Mbps operation, and set DNS servers if you need consistent name resolution. Finally, confirm functionality by pinging your gateway and running a quick speed test to verify throughput. This validates both link and performance. If there is no link, swap the Ethernet cable and try a different USB port. USB hubs can limit power and bandwidth, then reboot if needed. If problems persist, disable the internal network interface temporarily to check for driver conflicts and reinstall drivers. That step usually resolves incorrect bindings or priority issues, so your adapter becomes the active connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.